In this video, I'll show you how to download and install MSI drivers for laptop or desktop. To download and install MSI drivers for your laptop or desktop, go ahead and visit the official MSI website. Go to their support page and navigate to the download section. Now go ahead and select your product. Choose your product category and enter your product model number. Now choose your operating system. Select the operating system you're using to ensure compatibility. Now download drivers. Click on the driver tab and download the necessary drivers for your device. And lastly, install drivers. Once downloaded, extract files and run the installer to update your drivers. Alternatively, MSI offers a tool called Driver Utility Installer, which can automatically detect your hardware and install the appropriate drivers. And this is especially useful for simplifying the process, and that's basically how you can download and install MSI drivers for laptop and desktop. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.